My gyoza is packed with veggies so you feel nourished and satisfied. And don't miss my tips and tricks for the perfect ratio for the veggies and pork and getting the perfect crunch when pan fried, the best part. Let's get started. First, let's prepare our vegetables. Cut your cabbage into chunks and pulse in a food processor until it coats, not too fine. If you don't have a food processor, just chop by hand into small dice about 1/8 to 1/5 of an inch. Next, chop your garlic chives into small pieces. Mince the garlic and grate the ginger. These fresh aromatics makes all the difference. In a mixing bowl, combine ground pork and your seasonings and aromatics. Mix until it turns sticky. That's when you know the proteins have bound together. Then add the cabbage and chives and mix again until everything is fully combined. Here's something that might surprise you. My veggie to pork ratio is 5:1. That's a lot more vegetables than most people expect, but it makes the gyoza lighter, juicier, and so flavorful. After mixing, take a spoonful of the filling and microwave it for about 20 seconds at 600 watt to check the seasoning. Add a little more salt to suit your preference. Since we'll be wrapping it in a gyoza wrapper, the filling should be slightly more strongly seasoned than you think, and that should be just right. Cover and chill in the fridge for about 1 hour to easy to handle. Now let's wrap. Before we start wrapping, set up your gyoza station. On the right hand side, place your stack of wrappers and next to it, have a small bowl of water for dipping. Then your chilled filling in the center, and on the left hand side, a tray dusted with potato starch or cornstarch to keep the finished gyoza from sticking. Dip half of the wrapper's inner side quickly into the water. This will help it seal nice and neat. Place about 1 teaspoon of filling in the center and don't overfill or it won't close properly. Avoid touching the edges with greasy fingers. That can stop the seal from holding. Pinch the center to seal, then make 2 pleats from the right towards the center and 2 from the left. You'll have a total of 4 neat pleats. At this point, you can freeze them. Just place them in an airtight container. And please avoid the Ziploc bag because the delicate edges can break. Lightly grease a frying pan with vegetable oil and arrange the gyoza in circle. Cook over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes until the bottoms begin to brown. Pour in the flour water and cover with the lid and let them steam for 5 minutes. When the wrappers look translucent and puffed up, they are cooked through. Remove the lid and keep cooking until the bottoms are golden and crispy. Place a plate slightly smaller than the pan and carefully flip it over. And watch out for the hot oil and steam. Do not burn yourself. Look at that crispy crust. This is perfect. Serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauce. Mix soy sauce and sugar and vinegar, and a touch of chili oil makes the perfect dipping sauce. juicy on the inside and super crispy on the outside. And thanks to all those vegetables and energizing aromatics, it's a delicious way to beat summer fatigue. And pork. No. And don't miss my Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!